Okay, it turned out that another brush got cracked. Also, still good for an HO slot car, so I put it aside. Got a new brush, but what happened is when I put this cap or back end of the motor housing on with the super magnet, it pulled it out with such force that it literally ripped the brush. So I have to be careful now. How can I put this on? I'm going to attempt to do this. I need something of the right diameter that I can put pressure on this so it doesn't shoot back up. Now, I'm going to try a lot of things. Like I'm going to put a super magnet on the bottom to try to keep this from going up. So I put a super magnet on the bottom, if you could see it there. Super strong ferrite magnet. I'm hoping that counteracts it. I'm also going to use some mechanical pressure by putting this copper tube. I'm just going to see if I have a slightly better diameter than this, because that one is a little thin. It might just slide right off. Let's see if this will go through. This looks a little too thick. Yep, this one's too thick. This one's definitely too thick. This is another thin one. I'm hoping the magnet on the bottom does the trick. But I still need to have some insurance. Screwdriver, that might do the job. One of these nice little mini screwdrivers. Here they are. Maybe one of these will do the trick. I really don't want to break another bushing. Brush. I just got a mental block with that. Here we go. Oh, this should work. A lot of things should work. Very few do. Okay, now I've got the screwdriver in here. I've got it on the end. As soon as this gets... Now I can put my finger on it. Now my finger is preventing it from flying up. Not easy. Oh my God, it's in. I'm going to take this magnet off. It feels super tight though. I don't know if it's... I don't know if that's how it's supposed to feel. So tight. Now, I don't want to bend these back because I don't know yet. I don't want to rely on just my finger, so I'm going to use a rubber band. Which for temporarily holding this, it should work. Well, it's a noble effort. I really don't know if it's enough to revive this once great motor that basically I wrecked as a kid. Boy, it would be sweet if it worked. Now, got the power off. Now I've got these leads, or screws. Let's see. Nope, nothing. Nothing. She wanted to go. Oh, she's running. It's working. I think this was a 24-volt motor. You know what? We're going to have to put something on here. I can't even feel it. It's so smooth. Could it be working? I don't know if I'm that lucky.